Good evening friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. Today we are going to see the installation of NS-3 Gym, which is the reinforcement learning software within NS-3 we are going to use. So the operating system we are using is Ubuntu 24.04 and NS-3 version is NS all-in-one 3.40, but the current version of NS-3 is 3.45. But this NS-3 Gym does not have a support for the latest NS-3 version, so hence we are planning to go for NS all-in-one 3.40. So first install all the required libraries. As usual, we go for sudo apt update. So that is the first thing that we'll be doing. So step 1, install all the requirements. So sudo apt update. So once we do that, give the password and the packages will be installed. Next thing is we have the full set of packages that can be copy pasted, and this video assumes that you already installed NS all-in-one 3.40, or if you are starting for the first time, you are installing NS 3.40, then you can able to use. So all the commands you can just copy paste the entire command and then you can install it, so that you don't need any other software to install it. Since I already tried it, so that's why all the packages already installed. In case if you're trying for the first time, this package might download around 10 to 15 minutes to install the complete package. Now next thing is these are the packages required for NS3 Gym. So that's why I have given a separate line. So use this NS3 Gym. In case if you are installing only NS all-in-one 3.40, only NS3, then you can use only the top command. And after that, we are going to download the software NS all-in-one 3.40.tar.bz2, which I have already downloaded and extracted or decompressed or unzipped, whatever we call. You can see that, and this is the folder. So NS all-in-one 3.40 is there, and right click extract here. So which is extracted to NS all-in-one 3.40. Now this is how the way we have extracted. Now our folder is there. You can see here. So we are installing NS all-in-one 3.40. So first we go with cd NS all-in-one hyphen 3.40. So once you put enter and you give the command /build.py enable hyphen examples enable hyphen tests. So I have given all the commands in the description window below. You can use that. So now the installation is successful because I already installed it. I reinstalled one more time. But in case if you are installing for the first time, it might take more amount of time. Okay, so now we are going to download the NS3 Gym. So we are going to use the contrib folder, which is under NS-3.40. There is a folder called as contrib. So inside that we are going to use it. So from the GitHub, we are going to download the complete package. So copy this line and then open the terminal and give it there. So once you give it, the entire OpenGym will be downloaded to this contribution folder. There is a third party contribution. That's what contrib. Here it will be downloaded. Now you can see this will be called as OpenGym. So this is the file folder name OpenGym. Now this git checkout, we do that because 3.36 plus version onwards, this NS3 Gym is supported. Okay, so now afterwards, now we are going to install this OpenGym. So /NS3 configure --enable examples. So you can use all the commands which is given in the description window below, and you don't have any issues. Now /NS3 build. So once you do the build option, the entire NS3 will be built. So totally just only 28 packages for NS3 Gym, because we already compiled NS all-in-one 3.40. So now only additional packages are been compiled. That's why only 28 packages are been compiled for OpenGym. Now if you don't get any errors, now our installation is successful. Now what we'll do is we will go for running some examples. So there are so many examples given by default in the NS3 Gym itself. We are going to run 2 examples for your understanding. So this is the first example we are going to use in this folder. So we have NS3 all-in-one 3.40 /NS3 3.40 contrib OpenGym. So we are going inside this folder, and first thing is since it involves Python libraries to install the NS3 Gym as a separate software, so we just use the Python virtual environment to do that, because pip command usually it won't work. So that's why we go for a Python 3 full. So in case you have not tried it, first you install this package. Now afterwards Python 3 -m virtual environment, this thing. So you are doing everything under the contrib folder under OpenGym. There only you are going to do all these things. Now, so once we have the virtual environment, so Python files will be downloaded to this environment. So first we will activate this using source./ns3gym venv bin activate. Now we can see in front of the terminal you will get the virtual environment. So inside the virtual environment, all the packages will be downloaded. So now that's what we are doing. pip3 install model ns3gym. So that means the ns3gym software will be directly downloaded and installed. Okay, so now we are going for the first example. So we go for cd examples/opengym. In this simply we type /simple_test.py. So you can see that this is the example for reward, actions and probability. So everything, a simple example just to test whether NS3gym is installed or not, or OpenGym installed or not. This is for example number 1. Example number 2 involves two terminal 1 and terminal 2. Where terminal 1 will be opening a OpenGym port number, and through the port number terminal 2 will be called. So that's how this works. So one agent will be waiting while the other agent will be sending the information so that it can able to print it. So in many applications, reinforcement learning happens with the help of an agent. So that's what we first start the agent. After that, we run the example. So in the terminal number 1, we go into OpenGym. Okay, now this is the terminal number 1. Here we go ns all-in-one -ns3.40/ns3.40/contrib. Okay, now we'll run with the OpenGym. So when you /ns3 run OpenGym, when we do that, see that the please start proper Python gym agent. So now the port number is open and it is waiting now. Now open the terminal number 2. In the terminal number 2, we have to go to the contrib folder. Okay, so here we have to do that. So in this case, since we need the Python virtual environment again here, so we have to enable Python source./my environment ns3gym environment bin activate. Once we do that, now you can see the Python environment is coming in the front. Then we just go to cd examples and OpenGym. Inside that we write .test.py. You can see that now in the first terminal the agent is running with the open port, and in the second terminal we are just plotting the output. So this is how the way the agent based communication in OpenGym will be done. So now one example here is we have given on TCP congestion control using reinforcement learning. Already I have just explained the source code. Already is there in my channel. If you want to understand more about it, only for members this video is available. So you can able to watch this video. I'll just give the link below. And in case you just like this video, please subscribe to my channel and consider joining the channel for the advanced level videos. Thank you.